कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी की मीटिंग, कांग्रेस सदस्य मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे की सदारत में मीटिंग में सोनिया, राहुल गांधी भी मौजूद। 2024 इंतखाबात की तैयारियों पर यहाँ चर्चा की गई। इत्तेहाद में तालमेल की प्लानिंग पर भी चर्चा की गई। ये बड़ी खबर इस वक्त आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। आपको बता दें कि लगातार हंगामा जो है अपोजिशन के बीच देखा जा रहा है। कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी की मीटिंग स्पीच हुई है। कांग्रेस सदस्य मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे की सदारत में मीटिंग की गई। मीटिंग में सोनिया गांधी हिस्सा लेने के लिए पहुंची। राहुल गांधी मीटिंग में मौजूद दिखाई दिए। 2024 इंतखाबात की तैयारियों पर चर्चा यहाँ की जाएगी। इत्तेहाद में तालमेल की प्लानिंग की भी चर्चा की गई। और इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का भी रुख कर लेते हैं। कांग्रेस की ओर से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को खिताब किया जा रहा है।
Sincerely and genuinely evaluate the results of 5 elections. Telangana we have won. 1 year before we were in 3rd position, and all the 5 assembly by-election we lost the deposit in Telangana. We won Telangana election. That was a remarkable achievement for the Congress party. Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, we lost the elections. Even though we expected a better result from that state, we had lost the election. General secretaries and in charge of the states explained about the election results, but we lost the election. We are admitting that is actually a disappointment for the party. But Congress party is very strong in all these 3 states. Our vote percentage is very much intact. There is no point of worrying for facing a parliament election. That vote share is very clear. Though we are going to focus parliament elections. Congress President already declared the decisions. Parliament election candidates will be decided very soon without any delay. Screening committee is going to be constituted in this month itself. Manifesto committee is going to be constituted within 1 or 2 days. And parliament related all the election works. You know that we have already completed, last 3 months we are doing state level reviews regarding the parliament elections. We already completed 23 states. Other 4 states we are going to do this month itself. So all the states we have covered. Then drastically January onwards, state level workers convention will be held in each state, which Congress President and other leaders also is going to be participate. Basically, the mood of the country now is against BJP. The way in which they are using in the elections, everybody know that there is no level playing field for the opposition.